Have you ever met somebody that have lots of stuff just lying down in their house? They're not touching them, they're not even using them. They're there for years and years. And suddenly, one morning when you wake up, you suddenly decided that these things have to be out from the house. To get rid of these useful things lying down in there, everywhere in the corner around your entire house that you haven't even used. Okay, what to eat? Still nothing to eat. Bonjour guys, ça va? And good morning, and how's going for the English speaker? Taya just go to bed, Bunch just goes to his office. For me, I'm gonna take a walk to energize a little bit today, and after that, I'm gonna start my day vlogging for you guys. Okay, let's take a walk with me. Take a walk. I forgot my camera. This is our backyard, guys. Look how beautiful. Okay, morning walk is great. About 30 minutes. Feels great, rejuvenating, stress-free, and I'm energized now. I'm ready for a day. It's Monday now here in France. Everybody should be all back to work. Got to be super productive now. Got so much things to do. To be productive for the entire year is getting rid of stuff that you haven't used for the year. Okay, this is not a table. Okay, this is one thing I have to get rid of. That's all comics books, French comics books. It's the collection of bunch that we bought it when we get here. We bought it like about I think we bought 1,500 pieces of them, and that some of them we read, some of them we don't read. It's a French comics book. It's a French comic books. And see. And this big thing here, that's a pretty big thing here. It's a telescope. We bought it at the conservatory and we haven't used it even for once. It's just at home here as a display. Of course, as a decoration. We love it so much. Bunch loved it so much when he saw it. He bought it right away and we put it in the living room as a decoration. And now we decided a new telescope that can see the moon and the stars. I know you're a very good piece of decoration. I'm sorry, you also need to go. And this black screen TV in here, we brought it from the Philippines. We put it in the container van. It was in there for 1 month, the TV and the bed and the rest of our furnitures. And we bought this in where I was working before in a British bar. The British owner, he was selling a television from his business partner Indian, and I was working there as a supervisor of this British cafe and restaurant. So he gave me a very good price, and we bought one. And we used it for a year in the Philippines. We had a TV there. We've been watching a lot of TV. And when we brought it here in France, we stopped watching TV. Okay, I'm sorry, television. I know I got you for a good price, but I think now it's time to get out from the house. Okay, it's now 12 o'clock at noon. The boulangerie is open today. I'm gonna go and pick up a bread and then we're gonna eat, and I'm going to continue posting the stuff online, and then that's it. That's pretty much going to be the day. Life could be a dream if I could take you
you up in paradise up above. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Ouais, c'est Junti. He's gonna give us a salad. So Junti, oui, c'est propre. Oui, ça va. On va jouer. On va. Et qu'est-ce qu'on. Comment hommage juste un petit. La sauce vinaigrette aussi, comme ça?
Comme une salade.
C'est la salade pour lunch. C'est Laurence qui est donné. I thank you all for watching for my first day, my second day, and I just want to tell you guys that this daily vlogging, it's only for 1 week. Okay, don't get too excited yet. This is not be for the rest of my life. It's only for 1 week. It's a challenge for myself. Hopefully I can learn a lot from this, from filmmaking, from editing, from communicating well in front of the camera, because it's still a bit weird for me that I'm talking to the lens. So yeah, and I appreciate as well your thoughts and honest opinions about the videos I'm gonna make. Really I appreciate, and hopefully I'm gonna make great videos for you guys, and tell me what you want me to make, what you want me to film, because you're the one watching and I'm the one creating. So tell me what you want me to create and I'll do it for you for my next videos after this 1 week challenge. Okay? Ciao, bisous.